welcome back to Artsy channel. I'm Ananya. Today we're going to make a pair of origami goggles like this. So let's get started. To make these origami goggles, we need a A4 size sheet. So we'll take the bottom right corner to the top left corner, fold, press along the line and make a crease. Next, we take the top corner to the bottom corner, fold, press. Next, we open both the folds. So here we have two types of folds. One is a valley fold which goes down like this, and the other one is a mountain fold which comes up like this. So we have 3 valley folds and 1 mountain fold, but we need 4 valley folds. So we're gonna make this mountain fold into a valley fold. Take this line and fold across like this, press and make a crease. Next, along this line, take the bottom edge to the top edge, fold it and press. We'll do this 2 more times. Now this time it might be a little difficult. We need to put this edge on top edge. Now we're almost done. You can see this triangular mountain. We need to fold just a little bit down like this. And the last step, fold on the sides at the edge. And our cool origami goggles are ready. If you enjoyed making this, like this video, share it with your friends and families and subscribe to my channel. Till next video, bye bye.